Suisohama, very beautiful beach here in Suiga. With my Maui music ukulele, I decided to sing one song for you called Hele On to Hawaii. And this song goes like this. Kite kudasai. By the bay, Wailu River Valley, where I used to play, canyons of Waimea, standing all alone. Magic of the garden house is calling me back home. There's a place that I recall, not too big, that it's kind of small. The people there know they got it all. Simple life for me. I was young, I was strong, I left my home, looking for a brand new start. Find a place that is better still. And now I know I never will. So let's go, guys. Hele on to Kauai, Alale by the bay, Wailu River Valley, where I used to play, the canyons of Waimea, standing all alone. Yeehaw! Magic of the garden house is calling me back home. It's calling me back home. It's calling me back home. Yeehaw! Hele on to Kauai, that means in Hawaii, in English. Let's go to Kauai, aloha! Here at Suruga. Bye bye. My music over there. Sayonara, bye bye, aloha.